Alright, good morning. We're going to Bayawan City. Next stop for Gospel Chariot Mission, public preaching for 2 days, today and tomorrow. Alright, good morning.
Good morning.
We're going to Bayawan City,
Prayers, please.
Gospel Chariot Mission, Gospel Chariot Mission. On the road,
Roll the road.
roll the word.